have an oil spill in the car. So let me show you how we're going to take care of this. First, we're going to take the mat out, set that aside. Now, where did the oil leak at? Is it all over or like right here? I can kind of see it a little bit. Okay, so now we're just going to wash it with some Dawn dish soap and that'll get it out. Because we're going to take blue dish soap, the Walmart brand works just fine. And we're going to sprinkle it on there liberally. Now this is watered down dish soap because I was using it for another project. But I'm just getting it all over all the oil there. And I'm just going to do her whole mat while I'm doing this. Okay, and then scrape it in. Okay, now we're gonna let that sit for just a minute. All right, and then for this, we're just gonna do where the oil spilled, right over here in this corner. And see how that's a little bit brown. Okay. Now we're just gonna let that sit while we go get our water. You can see there's the oil looking. Okay, I'm gonna go get my water. And now, look, you can see the oil coming out right there. Yay. I'm gonna turn around so the water. All right, I think we got it all out. So now we're gonna let this dry. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a little bit of water in and scrub it. If you want to check to see if you got it all out, just take a paper towel, push it on there, and it's not all out. So what I'll do is go through one more time with the Dawn and the soap, and we'll soak it up again. All right, there is the final paper towel mop up, and I am pretty happy with how it turned out. All right, look at this REI jacket. It's a mid-length turnaround. $3 at the thrift store, and we looked it up and it was $110. Very nice. So get your coats at the thrift store. They are a lot cheaper at the thrift store. Another thing I did this week was use up all my coins. Mom and I stopped at Walmart and my wallet was getting so heavy. I probably spent about 3 or 4 minutes putting coins into the register at Walmart. Yes, we did start backing up the line, but I didn't care. I just use them at the self-checkout, and then I get my full money's worth and nobody takes 10 or 20%. My reusable oil spritzer. Love this thing, it saves so much money. So let's see, a thing of Pam is probably close to what, $4 now? And I don't know, it's probably what, $10, $20 for the bottle. So just about 4 cans of Pam and you'll get it all paid for. So this video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. I have this huge jug of coconut oil. I buy it in the big thing. It's normally for my soap, but I haven't been making soap lately. But it's kind of a pain to get in here. It makes really good popcorn, but it's kind of a pain to be digging all in there. So I'm going to set this outside in the sun. It's 100 degrees today. Let it melt and pour it in another container and make it easier on myself, instead of having this huge jar in my kitchen. I have it on the hot cement and it will melt probably within about half an hour or so. Okay, there it is. Oh, look, a hummingbird moth. Right there. All right, so you can see it's all melted right there. See how it's all melted? Wow, that hummingbird moth is really, it's really going for it. Okay, so look how nice and liquid that is. Oh man, seriously, did I miss it by that much? Oh, come on, seriously? Okay, there we go. All right, now I have 2 smaller jars that will be much easier to handle than this big old honking thing. I've got bacon grease right here. I just keep on my counter. I just do a small jar and I melt it in my pan and make my scrambled eggs with it. If you want to save money on chocolate, take your Easter bunnies that you got on clearance. Now you can do this in a food processor if you want, and go ahead and chop up those bunnies and use this for your chocolate instead of buying chocolate chips. I paid 25 cents for the same amount of chocolate that would have cost me $2 at the store. So I'm able to have chocolate for just a little bit of the price. Now, like I said, if you want to mess with getting the food processor, you can. I don't like dirtying extra utensils when I don't need to. So for me, the few seconds this takes is fine. Okay, then just add that into your batter. And you have chocolate chips all in your batter. These containers for $1 for each one. There's 2 of them here. I looked it up, I scanned it on Walmart, $2.88. So I got it for about 30% of the price of retail. And then got this floor cleaner, just thought I'd give it a try. See if it does any shininess for my floors. I don't know, we'll see. For 50 cents, it's worth a try. I got these at a going out of business sale for a craft store. They are soap and candle fragrances. $10 for the whole thing. The majority of them are full, but guess what? This is like $200 worth of fragrance oil. So I hit the jackpot on this one. Buy your bags and suitcases at the thrift store and garage sales. I got this really nice, it doesn't even look like it's been used, LL Bean for $1. Looks like it might be a computer bag. I don't know if I'm going to use it for a computer bag or a makeup bag for traveling, but put my blow dryer there. I don't know, but this thing is really nice, and I will put on the screen how much it was to buy it from LL Bean, but I think I mean, it's got to be at least 40 bucks, maybe 50, but I know for sure I saved a lot of money over buying this new by buying it at a garage sale. Tip of the day, so one of my kids works at a tourist destination, and most of the tourists are not American, so they leave all their stuff behind, of course, when they go home, so their bags aren't so big, so their bags aren't so heavy. So they have been collecting these, and they are sending us home with all these. I'm like, yes, free shampoo, free conditioner, probably for the rest of our lives. Okay, so it is 100 degrees today, and here's how I save on air conditioning. So I have my dinner already in the oven. Oops, my chocolate chip cookies moved. I have chocolate chip cookies. I am turning the oven on now so that as it heats up, they will start baking and I don't have to leave the oven on quite as long, and I'm cooking my dinner and the cookies at the same time to save on air conditioning.
Your performance as a wife today has been adequate.